everyone! It's another Monday and ubus na yung mga plain background namin dito sa bahay. Kaya, heto! Ceiling naman ang bagong background natin! Thank you very much for coming back and it's our last video. Those are the dogs. Our last video before I'll be answering your questions about vlogging. So if you have any other questions, if you have questions about vlogs, about the being a vlogger, you could comment it down below. And for this video, I'll be giving you my final tips in being a successful or to be a successful vlogger or a YouTuber. And my tips na ang tips na ibibigay ko sa inyo ngayon, hindi lang siya applicable sa ating YouTube journey but also applicable in our daily lives. Whatever career that you're in, you could also use these tips. So, eto po, naka-abbreviate na din, acronym ng STEP. STEP, that's S-T-E-P. S stands for sacrifice. Yes, kahit diba, parang akala mong enjoy lang talaga yung pagva-vlog, but then meron siyang kaakibat na sakripisyo. Yes po, kasi it takes time para gumawa ng video. Of course, you have to invest for your camera. Though all of our phones have, most of the phones that we have already have a camera, but for those na gusto talagang level up and ikaririn na din talaga yung pagva-vlog, you should also invest in good cameras. So may kailangan din po natin ng budget in case we want to try other fields ng pagva-vlog, like if you want to take the travel vlogs, if you want to go for mukbang vlogs, or simple na food vlog, or other types of ano pa bang mga kahit yung mga streamers, 'di ba? Gumagastos din sila for their wifi, 'di ba? And kasi if we upload yung regular na YouTubers, you could switch on your Wi-Fi or subscription, go to the internet for an hour or two. Pero pag streamer ka, that would take you 3 hours, di ba? Na nagsi-stream. 1 hour, pero pag maganda yung laban, di ba? Mahaba-haba din yun. So, investment talaga. So, sacrifice yung time and your money, yung pocket natin talagang mababawasan. Next is T. T stands for talent. Yes po, lahat po tayo ng mga YouTubers are talented. Kaya po tayo buhay na buhay pa dito sa platform ng YouTube. So, talent does not only mean that you know how to sing, you know how to dance, you know how to act, but simple as communication. Having that skill of communicating with people on the opposite side of the world. Diba? It's kailangan po nating i-live or ihanasin. Ano ba sa Tagalog? We really have to practice our craft in order for it to grow more. No? Because yung talent natin, pag hindi natin ginagamit, nawawala. Kaya kailangan po natin, kung madaldal tayo, pasalamat tayo at meron career na pagiging vlogger. At eto po ay daldal tayo ngayon. Kasama nyo. But at least at the same time, kahit nagdumadaldal tayo, may natutunan din po yung mga viewers natin. I hope so. Tama po ba? Yes, and next is EE for enthusiasm. Yes, ay paulit-ulitin ko po yung sasabihin na kailangan yung i-enjoy nyo po yung ginagawa nyo. Kasi pag hindi na po kayo nag-enjoy, you ask yourself, is this really what I really want? O kaya baka ano lang siya, na sumasabay lang ako sa agos ng kung ano man ang uso ngayon, no? Ito ba talaga yung path na gusto kong tahakin? I'm getting serious now because I see vlogging as a career rather than yung trip nyo lang. And this learning session is for you talaga to help you if you want to pursue YouTube as a career, no? But of course, most of the vloggers started with their career as passion, no? So that brings us to our last tip is, yun na, sinabi ko na, passion. So kung passionate po talaga tayo sa video making, eto na yung bagay na matagal ko nang tinatanong sa sarili ko kung how am I, or dito na naman tayo sa pagtatranslate. ano kaya at kailan, paano ko kaya mapag-meet yung passion ko and my profession na magiging practical at the same time profitable yung ginagawa ko. So then when I hindi ako nagmamarunong or anything, and I don't want to say na hindi ako na napunta ako sa YouTube, napunta ako sa pag-YouTube dahil hindi ko nakita yung na magiging profitable yung YouTube. Yeah. So, I will be very honest with you that, oo, isa sa mga motivate sa akin na i-pursue itong pag-YouTube is because of the potential na mag-earn tayo sa YouTube. And ba't ko naman gustong mag-earn sa YouTube? May trabaho naman ako. And that, if you want to know more about me, I will be sharing that with you on our next vlog. Kasi yung unang tanong na sasagutin natin na kinoment ni, shoutout ko yan sa next nating video, is what is my motivation in having my YouTube channel. So, there you go. I hope may natutunan kayo in our video. Yun po, yung secret if you want to be a successful vlogger, a successful YouTuber, or successful in your own profession, kung ano man tinatahak nyo ngayon kung ano-anong trabaho nyo, if you want to be successful in your life, follow lang po natin yung step. Yun po, kailangan marunong tayong mag-sacrifice. Kailangan po i-nurture natin yung talents natin, take care of our talents, make use of our talents, para hindi po ito mawala sa atin. Then, we must do our work with enthusiasm. Means excited po tayong gumising araw-araw para po sa ating mga gawain sa bahay, gawain sa trabaho, gawain para mabuhay po. Enthusiasm. And lastly, know that you live or do your work with passion. Para tulad nga po ng sinabi ng kasama kong vlogger, kasi pag passionate ka, nagiging madali na lang po ang ating ginagawa. So, that's it for this video and see you next week. Bye!
Yung pinakakapit ka po sa akong channel, tiyan po niyo na pindutan ang subscribe button para